Hey guys, what's up? It's Mandy. Since it's been a minute since I've done a makeup video for you guys, I thought this week I would show you guys my super light, super natural, super glowy makeup routine for summer. So yeah, this week I'm just gonna chat with you guys while I show you guys my summer makeup routine and kind of give you guys a little tutorial on what I have been doing and will be doing all summer for a super natural makeup look. If you've seen any of my videos, you know that I love makeup. I like to go all out when I do it. So this look is gonna be very different. It's gonna be super natural, and I'm not gonna be going heavy on the products like I usually do because I usually get carried away, let's be real. So yeah, if you're new to my channel and you happen to like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. I'd love to see you back here next week. This is my first summer video of the year and I'm so excited to be starting my summer videos back up again. It's the best time of the year on YouTube, in my opinion. Let's just get started with the makeup. Since we're going for the more glowy natural look, I don't want to go in with the super heavy primer. So I'm going to use the Mario Badescu Rose Water. Everybody and their mother has been using this for like the past years. To keep this look super light and natural, I am going to go in with the number 7 City Light Tinted Moisturizer, and it does have SPF in it, which is essential for summer. So why did I do this? Okay. And I'm just going to buff that into my skin with this super dirty beauty blender because I'm relatable and too lazy to clean it. I will literally just throw this on when I'm going to the beach or the pool because it does have SPF in it. Because I just use a tinted moisturizer, the coverage on my face right now is very minimal and very sheer, which is exactly what we're going for. And since it is a moisturizer, it's going to hydrate your skin and give you that glowy look. But to give myself a little bit of extra coverage, I am going to very sparingly use some Tarte Shape Tape. That's literally all I'm gonna do. I barely have like any concealer on my face right now. School is almost over for me. I literally have like 9 days left. Comment down below, when do you guys get out of school? I'm really curious because I feel like everybody gets out at way different times. So now that we have a pretty good, nice, glowy base, I am actually just gonna go in with some Laura Mercier powder and very lightly set my face to make this look very natural. I am going in with a very light hand. I'm not loading up my brush with a lot of powder. So for blush and bronzer, I am going to go in with my all-time favorites, my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I am not gonna go crazy with the contour. I'm just going to add some color back into my face. Throughout this whole video, I'm just going in with very little product and using a very light hand to apply it. Now that we have a nice bronze, I'm gonna go in with some blush. This one's just from Too Faced. It's in the shade Baby Love, if you were wondering. It is my absolute favorite. And again, super light hand, very little product. When going for a more natural sun-kissed look, I like to just kind of apply the blush not only to my cheeks but to a little bit on my nose and my chin and my forehead where the sun would naturally hit my face. So for eyes, I'm going to be using an old classic, the Tarte Lip palette, and just going in with the shade Free Spirit and apply that to my lid. I love using this palette for more natural looks because the shades are all matte. Into my crease, I am just going to be taking Force of Nature and applying a little bit of that. It's like a pinky shade into my crease. And to warm the eye up just a tad more, I'm gonna go in with this really nice milk chocolate brown color and apply that on top of it, again, very lightly. And I'm also gonna take that last shade on a little detailed flat top brush and apply that very lightly to my bottom lash line. I'm not going too heavy whatsoever. I'm like barely using any product. Moving on to mascara, I am going to be using the Benefit Roller Lash. I feel like there's no way to make putting on mascara look cute. Like, it's just not gonna happen. And then to quickly set my brows in place, I'm just gonna go in with the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade number 5. I love using this product because it's super natural. And then I can't believe I almost forgot highlight. For this look, a powdered highlight is definitely not the way to go. So I'm just gonna go in and use the Benefit What's Up and just take a little bit of that on my finger and apply that to my cheekbones and anywhere else I feel like I need. Using a cream-based highlighter like this will make your glow look super natural and it won't make your face look cakey. Look at that. That is so pretty, but at the same time it looks so natural. I love applying this product with my finger. Don't know why. For lips, I don't want to do anything super crazy, and I am just going to apply some chapstick. This also has SPF in it, so your lips won't get burnt and all crusty, because that is not cute. And lastly, to set my face in place, I'm just going to go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. It is super natural and super glowy, and in my opinion, it is perfect for summer. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you're new and haven't already. And I will see you guys next Saturday. Bye guys.